Good morning. I wake up at 7. Brush, brush, brush my hair. Make it nice and neat. Turn on the water, splash my face. Clean and fresh. Pat it dry now. All done. Ready for the day. Yay!
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
You eat 2 pancakes.
Here you go, sweetie.
Eat breakfast? We go to school.
That's right, buddy, after we eat.
And what do we have for breakfast? Pancakes! The best! He wants some too!
All right, let's dig in. He eats. That's right.
Yes, he eats. You eat. We all eat.
Ha ha, we sure do.
See? It's easy.
You're a great teacher.
We go to school.
I eat pancake at school.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Ready for another great day?
Yeah, let's go.
Englarity helps us speak naturally.
Practice daily with episode 2. Subscribe and practice.
I am getting dressed. I am putting on my shirt. I am getting ready.
I am flying! You are getting ready. I am putting on my backpack.
Wow, you're so fast.
To the window! Go, superhero!
We are getting ready.
Yes, we are. So excited.
Come on, little buddy.
He's ready to go. I'm gonna go.
Let's go on an adventure.
Present continuous. Am in plus I. He is running. We are going. And that's the present continuous. The bus is here.
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna sit in the back. No, I want the back.
There is a problem. There is no breakfast. No toast, no cereal. I'm starving. Wait, pancakes? That's a great idea. Come on, let's go get the bananas. Yay.
There's syrup on your face.
No, there isn't. See? Nothing.
Yes, there is.
Right there. Okay, maybe a little. But you can't have it!
There is 1 apple. There are no eggs. There are no pancakes.
No pancakes. That's a tragedy.
Can we make some?
Of course. Let's get the ingredients.
Yay!
All right, partner, to the store.
There is 1 apple. There is 1. There are many. There are 2 apples.
This toast is yummy. Yeah, here, have a strawberry.
Everything looks so fresh today.
It does. I'm glad we're all together.
This is so yummy. I'm so glad we're all together.
Best breakfast ever.
Can I have more strawberries?
Here you go.
Want an apple slice, Laura? Yes, please. Thank you.
This is so nice.
There is no problem now.
See you in episode 4.
Oh no. I can't find project. I can't find it.
Don't worry. I can help you.
You can help?
Yes, I can find anything.
I can find socks, but I can't find your project. Okay, new plan. I'll check over here. It's gotta be under these boxes somewhere.
Listen carefully. We use can for ability. I can run. I can swim. Can means no ability. Mom, can you help me? Yes, I can. When we say, "Can you help me?" we are asking.
Mom, can I eat this?
Yes, you can.
Can I is permission. Wow, I made these cookies all by myself. Aren't they great? They smell so good. I can't wait to try one. This is delicious. So warm and chocolatey. I think I'll have another one right now. I can finish my project.
That's wonderful, sweetie.
Of course, buddy. I can finish my project.
Can you help me?
Can I eat this? Woo!
See you in episode 5.